Hello and welcome to our channel. Myself, Dr. Soumya. Healthy eating is the right step to good health. This video is all about the making of a healthy and a quick to make recipe for sauteed veggies. So let's begin. First, clean all the vegetables in running water and then chop them to desired shapes. Salads and raw diet, as we know, are one of the good options of a healthy diet. Similarly, half or partially cooked vegetables have a great contribution to the health factor in our diet. Vegetables are good sources of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. The fat-soluble vitamins can be easily absorbed into the body when cooked for a short time in healthy fats. Chop all the vegetables in similar size so that they give an attractive look in the plate. Here I have used more than 10 vegetables for this recipe. They are excellent sources of proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbs, and good fats. You can choose the vegetables according to the availability at your place. Now heat a pan at medium flame. I'm going to add olive oil, add garlic, ginger, and then saute them. Till they turn light brown in color. Then we are going to add the vegetables one by one. Carrots, beans, saute them. Now add zucchini, broccoli, mix them in between. Now add cauliflower, mushroom, mix them in between. Then add baby corn, green peas, and sweet corn. Saute them all together. Now we are adding capsicum. Add salt as per your taste. And here comes black pepper and fresh lime to enhance the taste. Mix them all together. Lastly, we are going to add tofu, which is a good source of healthy proteins. And continue the cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the sauce. Take mayonnaise, add tomato sauce, add mixed herbs and chili flakes. Combine them well. And our sauce is ready. Now add the sauce to the sauteed veggies. This sauce is completely optional. You can also have the sauteed veggies without the sauce. Coat the vegetables well with the sauce. And then off the flame. Lastly, garnish with some freshly chopped spring onions. Do not cook for longer time as the vegetables can become soggy and they will lose their freshness. It is really amazing to have them with a crunch feel. Having them especially for the dinner is a healthy option. Serve hot and enjoy. Stay healthy and happy. See you next time.